Hi everyone, I'm back with another project idea to share with you guys in this video. It's just a really simple project for those that love doing happy mailing or love cute little pockets. I wanted to see what I could fit inside this little circle shaped pocket to put some goodies in for a happy mail idea. And these are the cute little pockets that I made. You can see that it fits on the palm of my hand, and I was still able to fit some fun goodies in here. And it's really cute. All I did was use a circle punch shape that I have, and then I managed to put a few goodies in there. These are just great to add some cute little tags, a cute little note, little teeny envelopes or some embellishments. And this is another one that I made. This is a cute little flower, paper layered flower that I make. I have these in my stall, and I made the embellishment in the front. I did a video of some embellishments where I made these little accordion fold, and you can raise your embellishment up to give it more dimension on your projects and just to give it a bit more of a chunky look. And this is the other one here. So they're all sort of embellished the same way in the front, and I'll show you what I've put inside and then how it looks, how the cute little pocket looks like. So that was the embellishment that I made. And then I put in here a woodpick embellishment as well that I've done in a previous video. It's so cute, and you can just use your scraps to make these little flag banner woodpicks. These are just great to add as a little gift. And then I've got in here a little note, teeny note card, just cutting the paper at 2 inches by 3 inches, and then just corner around the corners. I've got a altered paper clip, and then again I just used my scraps to embellish the paper clip, and then I added a little key chain, a little key as a dangle. And these are great to add to your planners or use as closures on your flip books or for junk journal or to bookmark a page. And then just a couple of tags that can be placed easily inside the pocket, and that's how the pocket looks like, and that's the size of the circle shape. So that's one of them. So I just thought I'd show you guys what I put in these pockets, and then I'll show you how I put it together to make the pocket. So that's one, and this is the other one. I do like this one. I love this little flower. I just think it just finishes off the little pocket quite nicely. And again, they're all quite similar. This one has a little teeny envelope, and you can actually put a few goodies in these little tiny envelopes. Also another altered paper clip. Another little note card. These are great just using your single-sided paper, and then they can just write a little note on the inside. And then also a couple more tags in this one, and you can see that it is a very small pocket space inside, but I like it the way it can still stack all these little fun little pieces in here. So that's this one, and then the last one is this one here. And then I've got exactly the same, another little teeny envelope, a little embellished woodpick. It's just another altered paper clip with a little bird charm on the end. And then also the note card and 2 tags. And that's the pocket. I think you could still fit a couple more things in here if you like, but I thought this was pretty well loaded already. So that's the third one. So all I've done was I did use the circle punch, which is this size here, which is a 2.5 inch circle punch by Stampin Up. You can use just a template. You can cut out your own circle using a template or a circle die, whatever you have. But these are the circle shapes that I've used. So all I've done was I just had 2 pieces. I did use a double-sided paper. That way when you fold it over you could see the different prints. But if you have single-sided, it's fine as well, because then you just embellish the plain part. So all I've done was I've got 2 pieces. I just decide which one I want in the front and what I want at the back. So I'll just use this one as the front, and all I've done was I fold the top over, not halfway, just about I'm not too sure, just about there. So not completely halfway, but enough that you'll be able to have a good enough depth for you to have a pocket, because this will go in the front. And then this is the back, which will be the base, and that sits like that. And then all you do is you just grab your glue, and on the back part, you just apply glue to the edge around the circle. If you've got some really good strong glue, that'll be good. So you can use like your Tombow glue, really good strong adhesive glue. This is a craft paper glue that I purchased here in Australia in Spotlight, and it adheres all kinds of materials. So then all I do is I just place that and line it up with the edge of the base of that circle, and just press it down, and that will seal that off and give you that pocket on the inside. And then with this part here, you can leave that as it is, or you can glue that down so that you could add your embellishment. And I'm just going to glue that down just so you could see the pocket. And that's all there is to make this cute little loaded pocket. And then once that's all set, I'll just grab these little goodies that's in here so you can see how it looks like. So then you can add your tags. This is the altered paper clip. Little note card. And that completes your little loaded pocket. And then you could just embellish the front, and then that's ready for you to add into your Happy Mail packaging. So that's just a fun idea for you if you have a circle punch. I do have these circle shapes in my Etsy store. I think you get a pack of random 6 printed circle shapes, as well as 6 these scallop circle shaped as well. Some will be double-sided, some single-sided, but these are medium weight paper to heavyweight paper, so these are great to use in your projects. So they're not thin paper, but again, yeah, you'll get a random 6 and a random 6 of this scallop circle, so you get 12 pieces. And with these ones, I did do a video just previously with this shape. You can make these cute little house embellishments that I shared with you. I'll put the link down below to that video on how I put this cute little house embellishment together. But I did use this circle shape or scallop shape to make the roof of the house. So that's just another way you could use these if you purchase the these circle shape papers. And we can make one of these, and then there is also some little leftover piece. You could add that and make a little teeny tag as well. So there's another project you can make with these papers. And for the month of October, if you do make a purchase in my Etsy shop, for this month, your free gift will be a envelope. I'll just show you. You get a random envelope. And I did hand punch these myself. So you'll get one of these that you could use to add a letter, or even load this up as a loaded envelope as well, or whatever you like. So it's a nice good size envelope. And this one here, I did add a circle shape. I punched out a circle shape to make a closure, and then I just added a brad, and then placed another one on the back here just to cover the brad, and added some crochet string to create a closure for the envelope. So you could do that, or you could just use some washi tape to make the closure, some magnets or Velcro. But you will receive a free random printed envelope, as well as you'll receive 2 of these random circle shapes as well in the free gift. So you'll get these 3 pieces with every purchase from my Etsy shop. So I just thought I'd mention that. And for those that have already purchased in my shop from the 1st of October, which I think was 2 days ago, your free gift will already be in your order already. So you guys didn't miss out on your free gift. So I just want to show you guys these little fun projects. And I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.